everyone! So for today, I'm going to be showing you how you can use your brand kit to create a business card that can be applied to any simple booklet rapidly. So to begin, you'll want to be on your dashboard, which is where we are right now. And from your dashboard, look at the menu at the top left and click on Brand Kit. From Brand Kit, click on Business Card. Now, I've already gone through and filled in the relevant information, so we won't waste any time. But as you can see, the standard model for a business card on the brand kit is the same as the option presented to you in your design tab. But the difference between that and your brand kit is, once again, your brand kit. The information you fill out on your brand kit will be applicable anywhere else, whereas if you just create a business card on your simple booklet, it can only be applied to that simple booklet. So now that I've got my business card filled out, let's go to whatever random booklet that I can add a business card to. Let's choose education brochure. So on education brochure, all I need to do is go over to Navbar, and I'll need to toggle on my business card right here. And as you can see, there is an option at the very top that allows you to use brand settings, so use content from your brand kit. So what you want to do is toggle that on. And now that we're done, we'll click done. And by opening up the business card in our navbar, as you can see, it has all the information that I applied on my brand kit. So with that being said, thank you for listening, and I hope you have a great day.